Welcome to the dark and twisted world of crypto scammers, where creativity meets crime and where people will go to insane lengths to steal your money. Ever wondered what's going on inside the mind of a crypto scammer? Is it genius? Is it desperation? Or is it just a guy in his basement thinking, what if I launch a coin named Shiba Flocky Moon Elon X 9000 and convince people it's the next Bitcoin? Let's break it down. Step 1. The master plan. A crypto scammer doesn't wake up and think, how do I build a revolutionary financial system? No. He wakes up and thinks, how do I create the dumbest possible coin and still make people buy it? The first step? The name. It needs to sound futuristic, meme-worthy, and completely ridiculous. If it has a dog, a rocket, or Elon Musk's name in it, perfect. Next, the scammer writes a white paper, which is really just 5 paragraphs of nonsense and a roadmap that says things like Q1, launch website, Q2, moon mission, Q3, Lambo giveaway, and people still fall for it. Step 2, the hype machine. Now the scammer needs hype. And where's the best place to build it? Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, and of course, TikTok. They start by paying influencers to say things like, this is the next 1000X coin. Don't miss out. Financial freedom is one trade away. Whales are buying. Then they flood the internet with fake testimonials. I invested $100 and now I'm buying a yacht. This coin changed my life. My wife left me, but at least I have Shiba Flocky Moon Elon X 9000. And just like that, FOMO kicks in. Step 3, the exit plan. Now comes the fun part. The scammer watches as the price pumps. Investors pile in. The Telegram group is exploding. And then, when enough people are holding the bag, they sell everything. 1 minute, the price is skyrocketing. The next minute, it's down 99% and the developers have disappeared. The website? Gone. The Twitter account? Deleted. The Lambo giveaway? Never existed. And the people who bought in? They're now in the comments asking, guys, when moon? So, what have we learned today? If a crypto project has no real purpose, promises guaranteed returns, has anonymous developers named CryptoKing69, has more emojis than actual technology, it's probably a scam. So stay smart, stay skeptical. And if someone tries to sell you Shiba Flocky Moon Elon X 9000, run. Have you ever fallen for a crypto scam or seen one in action? Drop your story in the comments, join us and reach your next crypto level.